You work hard. You save. You budget. But no matter what, you're still broke. Why? It's not bad luck. It's not the economy. And it's definitely not your job. It's your habits. Sneaky, daily patterns that quietly sabotage everything you earn. And the worst part? Most people don't even know they're doing it. You could be losing thousands every year not because of emergencies, but because of blind spots you've accepted as normal life. Stick around, because I'm going to break down the number one hidden habit that almost guarantees poverty even for smart, hard-working people like you. This is the stuff nobody taught us in school, but it's what the rich teach their kids every single day. Because poverty isn't always caused by pain or struggle, it's often caused by silence. The silent habits. The silent fears. The silent spending. And when no one talks about money the right way, those silences turn into setbacks. Welcome back to Omolola Finance Lab. I'm Badamosi Omolola, and we help smart people like you stop surviving and start growing wealth in ways that are simple, honest, and proven. Smash the like button if you're ready to take control. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly game plans. And turn on your YouTube notifications because these solutions can't wait another year.
Here's the truth. Most broke people don't look broke. They look comfortable. Clean clothes. iPhones. Netflix. Wi-Fi. But behind the scenes, there's fear. Shame. Stress. Struggle. A World Bank study revealed that over 60% of middle-class earners globally don't have more than 1 month of savings. In Nigeria, over 80% of earners can't handle a 50,000 naira emergency. In the United States, almost 4 in 10 adults would struggle to cover a $400 bill. Ada earns 120,000 naira per month as a digital marketer. She eats well, pays rent, owns a phone. But no savings. She can't rest. Because broke doesn't mean starving. It means you can't stop working or everything collapses. That's the trap: looking rich while sinking deeper. The pressure to impress often leads to bad money choices. And here's the kicker: many people are one bad day away from financial disaster, but they don't know it yet. In a moment, I'll show you how even the rich go broke if they ignore this next mindset shift.
Let's break the myth. Hard work makes you rich. If that were true, every farmer, mechanic, and nurse would be a millionaire. Wealth doesn't come from effort, it comes from how you think and move. Broke thinking values time for money. Rich thinking values assets for money. Kunal and Mary both earn 200,000 naira per month. Kunal works overtime, Mary builds a small affiliate blog on weekends. 3 years later, Kunal is burned out. Mary earns triple from passive income. Same effort. Different thinking. The rich ask, how can I earn without working more? The broke ask, how can I get a raise? That shift, just that one mindset shift, can change your entire life. Because the rich don't chase money. They attract it with systems. If your income depends only on your presence, you're not free. But if your ideas earn for you even when you're sleeping, you've won. Mary's blog now pulls in over 600,000 naira every month. She didn't need new qualifications. Just a new direction. Most broke people don't lack effort. They just spend it the wrong way on things that don't multiply. Coming up, the sneaky daily habits that keep even smart people poor.
It's not always one big decision that keeps people broke. It's the tiny ones repeated every single day. Buying food outside daily, 2,000 naira per day equals 60,000 naira per month. Subscriptions you forgot, 4,000 naira per month, unnoticed. Always rounding down your expenses. Emotional shopping. Paying minimum credit card balance. Just 3,000 naira per day in unnecessary spending. Adds up to over 1 million naira per year gone. In India, Vivek realized his takeaway coffee habit cost 60,000 rupees per year. He switched to home brew, saved enough to buy a camera, and started a photo side hustle. Multiply those habits across 5 or 10 years. And you've silently lost the down payment on a house or a business startup fund. Wealth isn't about being cheap. It's about plugging leaks before they flood your finances. The rich mastered intentional spending first, then their money grew. Your bank balance reflects habits, not titles. Next, The salary lie that makes millions of people feel secure until reality hits.
A good salary feels safe. But what if I told you salary is the most dangerous form of income? It gives the illusion of growth, but you're renting your life by the hour. When the salary stops, everything collapses because there's no backup engine. During COVID, Thomas in the United Kingdom earned £4,000 per month until he didn't. He had no side income. In 2 months, he sold his car. Over 70% of salary earners retire broke. Why? Because they never built beyond one stream. In Lagos, Bisi earned 180,000 naira monthly. After losing her bank job, she turned a small digital skill into a full-time income. Depending on one paycheck is risky. Job security can vanish overnight. Want backup income? Check out our videos on AI hustles and crypto versus real estate in the playlist. Next up, how the wealthy escape this trap, what they do differently every single day. Here's what separates the rich. They don't just earn, they build. They track every naira or dollar. They invest early and often. They reinvest profits. They hire people to buy back time. They learn constantly. Temi used her Canva Pro to start a digital flyer business on WhatsApp. That side hustle helped her register her first business in under 6 months. The rich treat money like seeds, not fruit. They plant, nurture, and multiply while others consume and start over every month. They think long-term. They delay gratification to build momentum. They know that small wins, done consistently, lead to big results. Even if you start with just 500 naira or $5 per week. What matters most is building the habit of growing your money. Most people wait for more money before they start. But wealthy people start, and that's how they get more money. You don't need the perfect timing. You need the decision to begin where you are, with what you have. Now it's your turn. Ready for your personal action plan?
Do this now. Track every expense for 30 days. Use a notebook or a free mobile app. Cut one luxury, that streaming subscription. That soda. Save it instead. Create a digital hustle, freelance, Canva designs, voiceovers, YouTube content, or AI tools. Budget 70, 20, 10, spend 70%, invest 20%, and save 10% of your income. Watch and learn, follow our playlist weekly and take action. Even 500 naira or $5 invested monthly can shift your financial path in under a year. The earlier you start, the easier it gets because money has a memory. It grows when treated right. Favor in Abuja started by saving just 1,000 naira a week from her food budget. In 6 months, she bought a small ring light and started selling digital products online. She didn't wait for perfect conditions, she started where she was, with what she had. Do this for 90 days and I promise, you won't recognize your bank account. But none of this will work if you fall for this final habit, the deadliest of them all.
The number one reason people stay broke is waiting. Waiting for the right time. Waiting for January. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for permission. Newsflash, no one's coming to save you. No rich uncle. No miracle. Just you. One of our viewers said they watched our Lazy Money Hacks video and finally started selling their voiceover. In 30 days, they made more than their salary. Another young woman in Enugu started editing reels on her old phone. With consistent gigs from Instagram clients, she saved enough to buy her first used laptop in just 3 months. A student in Ibadan scripts TikTok skits with ChatGPT and now earns weekly while studying law. Don't wait. Start badly if you must. Start with your phone. Start without money. But start.
You made it to the end, which means you're serious. Don't stop now. Like this video. Subscribe to Omalila Finance Lab. Click the bell and select all. Drop a comment below which habit hit you hardest. Ask your questions, we'll answer them all. Suggest a topic, we'll make the video. This is Badamosi Omalila saying, you're not stuck, you just haven't been taught how to move. Let's fix that, together.